available. Remember this. So try maximum possibility, because I will not be sending these recordings. This will be private teachings, and this recordings will not be sent on the group. So one day if you miss, yes, then you can message me personally and I will be sending you that day this thing. But try to be there, and you need to keep your cameras on. So you all are ready for today's journey, right? So first let's start with a small prayer. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Thank you, universe, for this divine time. Thank you, universe, for the divine nature. Thank you, universe, for helping us to be in this journey of knowing ourselves. This is going to be a beginning for me, where I would be learning how to be happy from inside. So thank you, universe, for making me the channel that I can understand myself more better and bring that happiness in my family. So thank you, universe, for guiding me and giving me the courage, for bringing me to this platform, since all people don't reach here. So thank you to making me, for choosing me to improve my life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Chaps, please, on your camera.
Yes, Maria, give me a second.
Yeah. So today, before we start the journey, I hope you all have got one mirror with you, right? This is how you should have at least this small mirror with you. If today this one is not there, at least have your what you say, your handy mirror, what you use for your makeup when you go out, hand mirror. I'll show you that also later on, which I keep in my purse every time. And this mirror would be there with you every day. Yes, that also would do. Yes, currently this would do. But try to keep at least this much mirror in front of you. Why? Because your the whole face, what we want you to see in that will be available. Second thing is, you will have to have a new journal. You have to have your pen, color pens, pencils, or sorry, pen, color pens, and your pen. And when, as a noun, when I will be telling you to keep your bottles ready of water bottle, you can keep that ready. Another thing would be, 1 minute, where did I keep my diary? Yeah. So even I made a new diary, and we will be working together. Now, why this journey? Before I move into this things, just try to understand why this journey is important. Like, yes, I will be playing some songs also for you in the starting. Chaps, I would be explaining in Hindi also. Wherever you feel ki I am not understanding Hindi, and you feel that it is really not going into your head, then you can stop me there and I can explain it to you. And also now these sessions are such sessions. See, I am charging you why 555 rupees is because my mentor said that this is a um, commitment which you need to give. Like if you'll pay, you will be little committed to come and attend the sessions. Now, during the sessions, you need to keep your cameras on. Second thing is that you need to have your pen, pencils, whatever I said, color pencils also with you, because there are some drawings which come in during the book. Then there are things which I will be telling you to write down, draw with different colors. Another thing would be that, so mirror book is something, it is a mirror book by Louis Hay. It's a 21 days transformation. The first thing is that today, now since you made up your mind to come into this journey, write down what is the intention. Write down today. First, on the first page, first leave the first page, then I'll tell you what we are going to do. If you have got a new book, leave the first page. Okay. On the second page, write down what is your intention with the book. Like, for what you feel that you have come into this journey. What made you think, I should join a mirror book? See, now we are aware of magic book. And if you remember, the last chapter in the magic book was mirror. Like, yeah. So, like the magic mirror. So from there, now we are taking a journey further. Understand, this is advanced practices. We are going to take a very big leap. If you will see, we are going to take a very big leap in this. And now you write down, first write that question also. What is the intention of coming into this book? What is your intention? What is the intention of coming into this journey? Why you want to do this book? Ramesh Kumar ji, welcome. Please open your cameras. For this sessions, you need to keep your cameras open, because there will be one-to-one session where I will be dealing with you personally also. So टेक योर बुक्स। रमेश कुमार जी, हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि हम हमारी बुक में, हमने नया बुक लेना है। आप अगर कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं तो मैं आपसे बात कर पाऊंगी। आपको इसमें बुक में लिखना है कि आपका इंटेंशन क्या है इस बुक में आने के लिए। आप आपके मन में क्या प्रश्न आया है कि आपने ये सोचा है कि मुझे ये बुक करनी है।
मैम, हेल्थ के बारे में।
जी,
मैम, मतलब स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं रहता है।
स्वास्थ्य ठीक नहीं रहता है।
जी,
नहीं तो
और
कोई बात
फाइनेंशियल
नहीं। आप
प्रॉब्लम।
ये, मुझे मुझे पूरा यकीन है, अगर आप ये बुक करते रहोगे तो आपका वो भी अच्छा हो जाएगा। और आपको मैजिक बुक भी ज्वाइन कर लेना, क्योंकि मैं मैजिक बुक मंडे से शुरू कर रही हूँ रात में। हम इस जर्नी में, मैं बताने ही वाली हूँ कि इस बुक में कोई नहीं है, आप जैसे भी हो, आप कैमरा ऑन कर लो। आप भले लेट के, आप पलंग पे हो तो बेड पे हो तो आप उस पे बैठ के आप आपका बुक और ये लेके बैठ जाइए थोड़ा। देखो, ये जो बुक है, it is going to take us to the advanced practices. Now what are advanced practices? But this is something different than magic. इसको मैजिक से नहीं जोड़ना, okay? This is different than magic book. Magic book में we are learning, मैजिक बुक में मैजिक बुक में वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट मैजिक बुक में वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट ग्रैटिट्यूड, राइट? This book will take you the practices with your gratitude to your healing yourself. Okay. Now, first question, I told you that Atulji, please open your camera. Okay. The moment you join, you send within 2 minutes. Just try to see that you keep your, because this is going to be a very interactive session. एंड आपको ये भी समझना है कि इसमें आपके मन में जो भी प्रश्न उस टाइम पे आएंगे, प्लीज डोंट हेजिटेट, डोंट से कि अगर और कोई मेरा प्रश्न सुनेगा तो मेरे ऊपर हंसेगा. Now I have 2-3 questions which I want to ask you. How many of you feel that when I look in the mirror, I don't feel nice? और how many of you feel कि मैं जैसा हूं या जैसी हूं, मैं अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाती हूं? How many of you feel that?
I.
Yes, so though now write down what you today what you said na कि I don't feel nice, when I look at the mirror about myself. Write this down. Write this down. See, I'm telling you, if you accept this journey today, it is really, really going to be an amazing journey, because even my life changed and I did this twice. And what energy exchange I'm taking from you all, I have paid triple and 4 times of that to do this, right? And I'll tell you, there is someone who's taking in Laos. I don't know whether it is Laos or in India, where, but she's charging 7,500 in group sessions. And she is charging 11,000 for one-to-one session. So I wanted to do it completely free, but because my mentor said ki, no, you have to take some energy exchange. So that is why I'm keeping energy exchange for this. So please understand that we need to give something to the guru. That is what my mentor told me, and that is why I accepted it, because my mind was not ready to do it by taking some charge. So, but when he told me कि नहीं आपको ये लेना है, then I started. Now, how mirror book helps you? I hope you all have written the answer to that question, that you are not able to like see yourself in the self image. So see, now I'll tell you what will happen is, if I will one day show you, I'll just try to put my pictures on my laptop. If you see my previous pictures and if you see me now, there is vast change. Okay, there is vast change. Why? Because initially, when I had done this mirror book, I had read Louis Hay's How Can You Heal Your Life. Okay, I had not done the mirror book. But in how can you heal your life was also a very good and amazing book, which really helped me. Okay, so how you can change your life, how you can change your image. This book आपको वो चीजों में हेल्प करेगी कि आपको खुद को इतना अच्छा फील होना शुरू हो जाएगा. You will start feeling really very happy. Really very happy. So this is the book of mirror work. Okay, this is the book of mirror work, Louis Hay. If you don't have the book today, I'm sharing the PDF. Maybe I will share it in our personal group when I make a group of the ones who have paid to me. Then I'll share the PDF also. But try to get this book, because see, then you can write how I kept on writing in the book. Okay, this is what I keep on doing in my book, because as soon as you're doing, see, don't take this as a book. This is a journey. Like, see, people go and spend so much money in counseling. I'll really tell you, people go and do so big courses, but there are already so many books that really help us if we follow it properly. तो जो practices होते हैं ना, that are very important to follow. So follow the practices properly, because practice is going to really help you. Now why? अभी आपके मन में आएगा कि question क्या है? 21 days, okay? Why 20? This journey is of 21 days. Now we might go to 24, 25 days. I'm being very clear because there will be one or two chapters which I will be taking two times because those are very deep chapters. और वो डीप चैप्टर्स में जब आप डेल्व करोगे ना तो आपको खुद को समझ में आएगा कि यस व्हाई आई रियली नीड टू गो इनटू दैट ओके सो 21 days why we say is because कोई भी चीज कोई भी हैबिट कोई भी चीज अपने अंदर लाने के लिए we always say कि there are we require 21 days ओके हमको 21 days एटलीस्ट मिनिमम अब आप बोलोगे कि सिर्फ 21 days ही क्यों सो 21 days से क्या होगा कि डे बाय डे वी विल बी गोइंग वन स्टेप अहेड टू अंडरस्टैंड आवरसेल्फ सो दिस जर्नी इज बेसिकली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू गो इनसाइड ओके आप जितना अंदर जाना शुरू करोगे आप जो खुशियां बाहर ढूंढ रहे हो ना कि मेरा वाइफ मुझे अप्रिशिएट करे मेरा हस्बैंड मुझे अप्रिशिएट करे मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड मुझे अप्रिशिएट करे मेरे बच्चे मुझे अप्रिशिएट करे आपको एंड ऑफ दिस जर्नी आई एम टेलिंग यू यू विल नॉट रिक्वायर एनीथिंग यू विल नॉट रिक्वायर एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीवन बिकॉज यू विल स्टार्ट बिकमिंग सो हैप्पी फ्रॉम इनसाइड कि आपकी एक एक लेवल अलग हो जाएगा एक अंदर से एक अलग लेवल की हैप्पीनेस रहेगी आपके अंदर कि यू विल फील वाओ आई एम सो हैप्पी आई डोंट नीड एनीवन so even if you are having relationships but you will have that happiness inside yourself and you will be so confident with your image कि you will not have कि मुझे बाहर कोई मेरा बॉस मुझे तारीफ करे या मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरी तारीफ करे you will be so happy with yourself and you will have a different self image that is what I'm saying I'll share you maybe tomorrow I'll share my previous pictures if you will see my previous pictures I look so sad I look so unhappy and वो बोलते हैं ना मायूसी छाई हुई है चेहरे पे but the moment I had come into this journey of magic book this I started changing my life I started changing my image whatever I want to wear I wear I don't get afraid of any people कि लोग क्या बोलेंगे if I want to wear very colorful vibrant this thing also I wear I don't say that what people will say to me so that is how we begin and today is your opening session that is a just to understand what this book is about okay now if I look at it if I tell you what you have written intention Atulji, I think you joined late. I made them write what is the intention with this book. So I had given that this question and you need to have a new book. Remember, because whole practices, writing practices. Now, what we are going to cover in this would be that I will be taking 30 minutes of reading of this book and explanation. Another 30, maybe it sometimes the session might go. So that is why we will decide the time. Maybe we can keep it a little more earlier if all are ready, 6:30 so that by 8 we finish so 6:30 to 7:30 by 8 because I'm telling you otherwise we will have to come back again in the evening for the practices because if you will do the practices right with me now you will understand because these are not the practices of the magic book which you can sit all alone and do. Yes, you can try doing it, but I'll tell you, but when we do it together, we understand because there are many questions coming that time. We answer, then also I keep on asking your questions and guiding you. So we will try to do the practices in the class so that you don't have to spend extra time again to do that practices. So that would become easier for you. And I feel morning, thoda sa easy ho jata hai. That is why now I am giving magic book sessions at night because those who had requested last time and were not able to join, you all can also join at night. That is not an issue. But then I am trying to take it at night, magic book sessions. So, see, these book sessions will be going, and there will be some times where I will be telling you, okay, one day I'm giving you a break in between to understand that chapter very well and do your practices on your own. Okay, so this is how we are going to go in the journey. Then there are, because this is our advanced practice, so you really need to be very disciplined. That is what, and now I told you to leave the first page, right? Now, on the first page, on the first page, I'll tell you what to do. I'll show you my book. Now, this is your first page, okay? Now here, what are you going to write is, here you write down your name, the first name, okay? Like if you're Atul, so A-T-U-L in bigger letters, okay? In bigger letters, it means it should be at least covering 3 to 4 lines. It should be this big, okay? A-T-U-L or M-A-N-G-A-L, Mangal, like that. And you have to fit in the whole page. So I hope if you have got Fullscape book, because I had my diary, so I'm using my diary. So you have to take this, write down your name, M-A-R-I-A, Maria, and then bigger letters, and then think about each letter and write one adjective for that for yourself, which you connect. Like I write Maria the motivator, so M will be motivator, A will be adorable. Like I feel I am adorable. Okay. R is like I'm radiant. It could be that. Anything. I is like intelligent. And again, A, whatever you feel. So any um एडजेक्टिव यू फील विच यू कनेक्ट विद डोंट कि अभी दूसरा कोई बोल रहा है या दूसरे ने अडोरेबल बोला सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट दैट you write what you want. Okay, you write what you want for your name with each letter. You can take color pen also and write. Make it more vibrant. Sonam, please, can you on your camera? Welcome, Sonam ma'am. We are starting mirror book today.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, no problem.
So what we are starting doing is, today is the demo session.
Okay,
Okay. These are energy exchange paid sessions, which 555 rupees, a small amount which I have kept. Okay. For this
yes.
magic book are free sessions, but for this you need commitment. So that is why a small amount just for you to make you people committed. We keep this.
I am sorry. I'm an international now invention, Laos.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I cannot pay anything for rupees now.
And no, I will be you can send in the bank account. I will be sending you personally the bank account if you want. And you
Okay,
can,
I will think. I will ask my husband.
yeah, yes, definitely.
I will give you reply. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you very
yeah,
much.
yeah.
Okay, bye.
So you can take your book, right? Take a notebook. We have started with like what intention you want to get out of this book. Okay, why you want to come into this journey. Another thing is, now we have started writing a name. Okay, you write your name like that. Okay, in big letters, your first name only. And you are going to write the adjectives, whatever you feel. Okay, आपको जिससे रिलेट करना है, आपको जो चीज अच्छी लगती है, आप जैसे M for motivator. Okay, whatever you feel, adorable. C for charming, chaps. Charming chaps, right? So whatever you feel like. Even chaps is from Laos. Currently, she's in Bangkok.
Yeah, close by Bangkok.
So that's not an issue. Even she had that same problem. So she told me. So I'm also working out for that. Maybe we can do something. Maybe through someone else you can pay it to me. Not an issue.
Okay, I will ask my husband first.
Yeah. If you want, you can pay to someone there only. I will give you the number there, and I have many friends in Laos, so maybe you can pay to them, and then we can do what we.
Well, some people call Wenchen Laos.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
See you. Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Okay. So like M for whatever you want to write, A whatever you want to feel, whatever you feel. Okay. So Write, think and write. Take time.
Should I say for about myself?
Yes, yes,
I
please.
am finished. M for magical person. A is applied my knowledge.
Okay.
No. N for the confident to say no. G is for giver. A
Okay.
is a adjustable person. And L is a lovable person.
Okay. Very nice. You can just write the first words. Don't write person. You can just write the adjectives. Okay.
Okay.
Whatever you have written is correct. Just write the adorable, appreciative, anything, whatever is coming to your mind.
I have written
Okay.
down I am active,
Active. Yes, very good.
I am talented, I am understanding, I am very
Okay.
lovable.
Don't write I am, just write only like that. Just write like that. Okay. Just write one words, because then I will be later on when we will be coming into this journey, I will tell you what are we going to do with this name of the with your names.
I am again writing down because I
Keep a new book,
oh,
keep color pens for this
yes, yes.
because we will be requiring color pens. Okay. So
I have a red pen.
this is the book Mirror Work by Louise Hay, okay, which we are starting our journey with. Now, she has written many books. If you go to see How to Heal Your Life, Heal Your Body, many books she has written. She's a very good writer, and she herself healed her life, How to Love Yourself. All these books she has written, though I have not read all the books. So, 21 Days to Heal Your Life by Louise Hay. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. All those who are ready to experience the joy of mirror magic. This is the book saying to all those who are ready to experience the joy of mirror magic. Now, what is mirror magic? I have told you all that you need to have a mirror with you. Please keep this size of mirror. If you don't have, try to bring it today. Try to keep at least this size mirror. In week 1, we are going to learn loving yourself, making your mirror your friend, monitoring your self-talk, letting go of your past, building your self-esteem, releasing your inner critic, loving yourself, a review of your first week. Okay, then the week 2, week 3, everything we will be covering in this chapters. Today is only the welcome chapter. That is why I said it is a demo session. So that you understand, you take a call whether you want to join this. So welcome, dear ones, to my 21-day course on mirror work. Now, people thought mirror work is something, to take the mirror and, just keep on going with the mirror all around. But this is something different. It is based on my popular video course, Loving Yourself. Over the next 3 weeks, you will learn how to transform your life simply by looking into a mirror. Okay? Mirror work, looking deeply into your eyes and repeating the affirmations, is the most effective method I have found for learning to love yourself and see the world as a safe and a loving place. I have been teaching people how to do mirror work for as long as I have been teaching affirmations. So this is all about what the author is telling. Put simply, whatever we say or think is an affirmation. Now, इसमें क्या बता रहा है कि हम रोज सोचते हैं, right? Whole day we are thinking. हमको किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया या हमको किसी ने कुछ दिया, तो रोज हमको कोई ना कोई कुछ बोलता है, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट टाइम हम क्या करते हैं कि हमारा माइंड में, इन आवर माइंड मेनी थॉट प्रोसेसेस आर गोइंग. वी आर वर्किंग थ्रू आवर माइंड, थॉट एंड एक्शन. हम किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, हमारा माइंड हमारा thought, हमारा heart and action. Okay, so these are the three things what we are working every day throughout. So throughout the day, इतने सारे thoughts are always going throughout our mind. So she says that I have been teaching people how to do mirror work as long as I have been teaching affirmations. Put simply, whatever we say or think is an affirmation. Put simply, whatever we say or think is an affirmation. See, read this line properly. यानी whatever we are saying every day, whether it is positive or negative, even negative what we are saying, we are affirming. क्योंकि हम यूनिवर्स को वो सेंटेंस बाहर भेज रहे हैं, राइट? वी आर सेंडिंग दैट सेंटेंस टू द यूनिवर्स वेदर इट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. सो all of your self-talk, the dialogue in your head, is a stream of affirmations. These affirmations are messages to your subconscious that establish a habitual way of thinking and behaving. Positive affirmations plant healing thoughts and ideas that support you in developing self-confidence and self-esteem and creating peace of mind and inner joy. So, यहाँ पे ये बता रहे हैं कि ये जो हमारा अंदर डायलॉग चलता रहता है, लाइक you wanted to go out with your husband, okay? Example. And you said to your husband कि आज होटल में चलते हैं खाना खाने के लिए. And he said नहीं, घर में ही बना लेते हैं. What happens? आपका माइंड इमीडिएटली स्टार्ट्स थिंकिंग, अरे इसको तो मुझे बाहर लेके जाना ही नहीं है, ये बहुत कंजूस है, ये पैसा डालना ही नहीं चाहता है मेरे पीछे, राइट? सो यू स्टार्ट हैविंग अ सेल्फ टॉक, राइट? इन दिस जर्नी यू आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम ये सेल्फ टॉक को हाउ कैन वी ब्रिंग इट इनटू द पॉजिटिव लाइफ एंड थिंक about like people who are like who about whom you speak this way. Okay, we have this habitual way. हम पूरा दिन habits में रहते हैं because we are just thinking about this, and every time we are just thinking and saying कि हाँ अरे उसने ऐसा बोला होगा. आपने कोई क्लाइंट से बात किया कि मुझे ये बिजनेस करना है आपके साथ में, या you showed him some product or something and what happens, he did not give you a call. आपके माइंड में क्या चलता है कि हाँ अरे इसको तो लेना ही नहीं होगा, फालतू में मेरा टाइम पास किया, फालतू में मेरा टाइम वेस्ट किया, राइट? सो यू स्टार्ट हैविंग दोज फीलिंग्स. सो एंड मेनी टाइम्स देयर आर थिंग्स लाइक यू से कि मैं भूल जाती हूँ, अरे मैं आई फॉरगॉट, अरे मुझे तो याद ही नहीं रहता है, आई कैन नॉट गेट अप अर्ली, यू नो. सो व्हाट इज दिस? यू आर डूइंग योर सेल्फ टॉक. ये आपकी सेल्फ टॉक है, राइट? और ये जो सेल्फ टॉक होता है ये हम रोज करते हैं, और उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? हैबिट, राइट? For that we say that these are habits because we are speaking every day the same things in our mind and we are talking about it every day. So these are habits. तो हमको क्या करना है? हमको ये हैबिट्स में ऐसा चेंज लाना है कि जिससे हम fulfilling balanced life, mind and heart works together. Remember that. Now today when you have come into this journey, अब जैसे two people came on the group and they went away. I'll tell you what happened. What do you think? What might have happened? Someone unmute yourself and tell me. Two people had come just now in the journey in our platform, but they left. What do you think might have happened? I'm giving you on the spot example. चलो बोलो, आपको क्या लगता है? अभी दो जन क्लास में आए थे but they left. क्या रीजन हो सकता है? Keep smiling, please. I want you all to smile. क्या रीजन हो सकता है? See, then I'll be able to clear today's topic very well because today, I mean, on the spot things are happening. So I have a live example. I have written points, you know, but then वही होता है कि मुझे ऐसा होता है कि जो स्पॉट पे हो रहा है ना, I can give more examples of that. So I'll tell you what might have happened. How our mind works, I'll tell you. Now they came in the session, they thought देखते क्या होगा पहले, right? Then I told that I will be charging energy exchange, right? Another thing I told that you need to keep your cameras open, right? Now, what happens is people का जो माइंड होता है ना वो लॉजिकल माइंड, not only them but even ourselves, I'm talking about our minds, right? So our minds are logical and heart is emotional. तो लॉजिकल माइंड हार्ट बोलता है यार कर ले ये बुक, तुझे कुछ तो अच्छा मिलेगा, यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग रियली वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन यू विल डू दिस बुक, यू विल रियली, बट माइंड क्या बोलता है, हे देख पैसा भरना पड़ेगा, अरे देख मुझे कमिटमेंट देना पड़ेगा, अरे देख तुझे ड्रेसअप होके बैठना पड़ेगा, यू विल हैव टू सिट ड्रेस्ड अप एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग, सो योर माइंड स्टार्ट्स टेलिंग यू बिकॉज इट्स लॉजिकल। तो कमिटमेंट देना पड़ेगा, देख एक एक घंटे का पूरा कमिटमेंट देना पड़ेगा तुझे एवरी डे। सो माइंड इज वेरी लॉजिकल, वो आपको ऐसे प्रेशर करता है, एंड हार्ट सेज अरे मैं कर लूंगा, अरे मैं कर लूंगा, मैं कर लूंगा। सो to bring a balance, okay, to bring a balance between these two, we need to do this book. Then we can have a fulfilling life, happy life, and that happiness which we are finding outside, हमको वो अंदर ही मिल जाएगी, and then we radiate that happiness in our family. And understand, we take ourselves very lightly. The more you are happy, remember your family will be happy. Your family will be happy. So here what you need to understand is, see, she's saying is, put simply, whatever we say or think is an affirmation. तो अगर आप नेगेटिव बोल रहे हो, आप पॉजिटिव बोल रहे हो, आप पूरा दिन बोलते हो, आपके कलीग ने कुछ बोल दिया, आपकी मम्मी ने कुछ बोल दिया, आपकी वाइफ ने कुछ बोल दिया, पापा ने कुछ बोल दिया, हस्बैंड ने बोल दिया, बच्चों ने, आपके दिमाग में पूरा दिन सेल्फ टॉक चलता है। एंड आज मुझे कोई बताएगा हु इज डूइंग दैट सेल्फ टॉक? Keep the session very interactive. Who is doing that self-talk?
Most of negative people.
नहीं, I am telling you, हम पूरा टाइम सेल्फ टॉक करते रहते, राइट? वी आर डूइंग सेल्फ टॉक ऑल्सो एवरी डे, वी आर सेइंग ना। अभी जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया कि आपने कोई क्लाइंट से बात कर लिया एंड वो बोला मैं सोच के बताता हूं, उसका फोन नहीं आया, हमारे दिमाग में क्या चालू होता है? हमारे
Yes,
दिमाग
ma'am.
में क्या चालू होता है? अरे उसको लेना ही नहीं होगा, वो ऐसा ही सोचता होगा, फालतू में मेरा टाइम वेस्ट किया, फालतू में मेरे पास आया, मैंने कितना टाइम उसके पीछे वेस्ट किया। तो माइंड, ओके, अपना जो सेल्फ टॉक होता है ना, how many of you know that we have an inner child? How many of you know? Who is that inner child? ये सेल्फ टॉक जो कर रहा है वो इनर चाइल्ड है। Who is that inner child? Think today, think. See, this session is going to be really, really amazing because I add my own points to bring you to that level to understanding कि आपका inner child कौन है? Who is your inner child? No one? Nothing is coming to your mind. Wrong भी होता तो कोई नहीं, बोलो.
The person that I actually want to be,
The person,
that I actually want to be from my childhood, like
the
someone that.
person you want to be is your future tense, right? The person you want to be is your future tense. But I'm saying, who is your inner child? हमको इस बुक में बहुत बच्चे बनना है. We are going to become small children. And I'm really telling you, if you will be into the practices now, you will really enjoy the journey. But आप मुझे याद करोगे after 21 days. Because I am bringing something very new in this journey, even what I have not learned. Because when I experience myself now, I feel like, giving it to the world. So, inner child आपका अंदर बैठा हुआ बच्चा है. आपके अंदर एक बच्चा है, आपको पता है? Which we have never pampered. We never pampered our inner child. There is one small person inside us, which is the real Mangal, which is the real Chaps, which is the real Maria, which is real Atul. Okay? हम ये अभी जो बता रहे हैं ना, now we are mothers, we are wives, we are husbands, we are fathers, we are daughters. Okay? But जो real है, who is that real Atul or who is that real Mangal? Small child. We never know our own, we never have our own understanding कि हम हमारे अंदर भी एक बच्चा है जो चाहता है कि वो प्यार करे, अपने आप को प्यार करे. So in this journey, we are going to meet that inner child. So are you ready to meet that inner child? Yes. So say loudly, yes, I'm ready to meet the inner child.
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
ready to meet
Yes.
my inner child.
Yes, I'm ready to meet my inner child.
Very good. I'm
I'm
ready
ready
to
to
meet because
meet my
see, unless you will tell yourself, you will never meet that person. You have to meet your person through this journey. This journey is not like magic book. I'm really telling you, magic book is something different. It takes you to the gratitude practice. But this journey is going to help you to understand your real self, to understand who you are really, and आपके अंदर happiness का मतलब क्या है, what you really want to be in life. बिकॉज हम है ना दूसरों के इमेज से जीना चालू करते हैं. वी लुक आवर सेल्स विद द इमेज ऑफ द अदर्स, व्हाट अदर्स थिंक अबाउट आवर सेल्स. एंड हम एक एक बोलते हैं ना, वो एक ऐसा बना देते हैं बैरियर. अरे वो मैं ऐसा करूंगी तो वो मुझे बोलेगा, अरे मैं 58 years old की हूँ, इफ आई वेयर शॉर्ट्स व्हाट विल हैपन यार, मेरी सोसाइटी में लोग क्या बोलेंगे. दिस इज सेल्फ टॉक. ओके. Maybe those people are not thinking also. But that is what we have. Our logical mind is keeping on pinching us every time when we want to do something which, makes us happy. So we never think about making ourselves happy. And the moment you start making yourself happy, you will see there is a difference in your life. There's a difference in your life. So these affirmations are message. See what she's saying, all your self-talk, the dialogue in your head is a stream of affirmations. So हम अगर positive भी बोल रहे हैं और negative भी बोल रहे हैं कि मैं नहीं कर सकती यार, अरे, like yesterday I was telling, Tasneem had called me, she said, Maria, I won't be able to join because I have some other commitments that time and I'm really full. So I said, it's okay, not a issue. But what she was speaking again was negative. I don't have time. I'm so packed. So when you start, see what are we doing is, this is what we are doing with our minds. When we start playing this with ourselves, then we are giving excuses to ourselves. And then we are never able to satisfy our own self, which is a real inner child. So in this book, we will be meeting a real inner child. So these affirmations are messages to your subconscious that establish habitual ways of thinking and behaving. Positive affirmations plant healing thoughts and ideas that support you in developing self-confidence and self-esteem and creating peace of mind and inner joy. So she's saying that positive affirmations plant healing thoughts. What do you mean by plant? What do you mean by plant? Plant. Positive mean affirmations plant healing thoughts. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? हम सीड डाल रहे हैं, right? We are going to put the seed. See, can you tell me one thing? कि 21 days में can you change yourself?
Yes.
Yes. So these 21 days are going to help you to plant the seed. And once you plant the seed, see, I did twice the mirror book. I'll tell you why. I did twice. Why? Because मुझे, and I had paid, I'm telling you, twice, thrice of this. But when I had done, once when I did, I could release many of the things. But when I did it second time, I had more openings and more understanding of myself. So that is why I went in for the second time. So because I felt कि नहीं 21 days यार नहीं हो सकता है. I felt that way. So there are perspective of each person, having different perspective of looking at it. So she's saying that positive affirmations plant healing thoughts and ideas that support you in developing self-confidence, self-esteem, and creating a peace of mind and inner joy. Now, how many of you can tell me now? We are four of us. How many of you can tell you that you are really very, very confident? You're very confident. कि
Yes,
आपको
I'm
अगर मैं
confident.
आज बोलूं स्टेज पे खड़े हो जाओ और कुछ बोलो, आप यू कैन स्पीक एनीथिंग.
Yes.
Or even if I'm there in a group of 10 people and I ask you to stand up and say something about some topic, you're very confident.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes,
Are you?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
yes,
Okay, great. So that is, if that is the thing, then you are already into that journey and creating peace of mind and inner joy. Okay? Creating peace of mind and inner joy. See, we have done magic book, so we know magic book helps you to come into gratitude and you start feeling having a different feeling. Okay,
Yeah, this
Mamta
is
ji, please
because
on
of
your
magic
camera.
book.
Okay, so most powerful affirmations are those you say out loud when you are in front of your mirror. कभी आपने बोला है क्या मिरर के सामने? How many of you have said that I love myself? Only when we did the
No.
magic book, we started
Yeah,
the last
only
the magic mirror, we started speaking, right?
yes.
Welcome, Mamta ji. We are doing mirror book.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
We have started mirror book today.
okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So we are doing a demo session today. So
Okay,
the mirror reflects back to your feelings you have about yourself. Come on, take your mirror in your hand. Take your mirror in your hand now. And now, see, when you look at the mirror, if you're using your specs, remove the specs. That would be more better. And only you have to look only with your eyes inside the mirror. You don't have to look your whole face. आपको ये नहीं देखना है कि where you're looking. You just try to look at your eyes. And for 2 minutes, we are going to be that way only looking into your eyes. And observe what is coming into your mind. You have to observe what is coming into your mind also. Keep on looking at the mirror. Observe what thoughts are coming into your mind. How many of you could look into the mirror straight into the eyes? Or you wanted to move your eyes? बार बार आपका दिल हो रहा था कि मैं आंखें हटा लूं. How many what did you feel? Come on, tell your feelings quickly. Unmute yourself. अनम्यूट करो और बोलो क्या फीलिंग आया.
a confident person.
यस यस अतुल जी.
I feel a confident person.
Okay. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Okay. Mangal ma'am.
I feel I saw it myself after a long period of time.
Wow, great, amazing. Chaps.
Yeah, first it was like difficult to straight away look at the eyes. Was looking here and there, but then eventually, since you forced that, I was looking into my eyes. Always in my mind, it's like something is like like even if I watch at my eyes, I was like, my hair is grown, there are dark circles, like that, things are coming.
That is what happened when we go inside the mirror, right? When we go into when we dress up every day, we don't look into the mirror that way, right? So the moment when we stand in front of the mirror, हम क्या देखते हैं? Oh, there is a pimple here. See, my nose is looking very flat today. When you get up in the morning, that is why in the magic book we say, that look into the mirror right in the morning and say, I love myself. Because that way you are accepting the way you are, even if your eyes are swollen, even if you have, you are dark skinned, you are light skinned, you are fat, you are thin, but you are accepting yourself. The first thing is, because the first thing is कि आप जैसे हो, आपकी looks जैसी है, आप, you are accepting yourself. The moment when you start having that relationship with the mirror, you will see a difference in your life. Because हम जब भी mirror में देखते हैं ना, I'll tell you mine. I never looked at the mirror. I mean, even while dressing up, no, I used to go, because when I was the principal, I used to go in so much hurry to school. I did not have time to look at myself properly also. I used to just put my sari like that, tick, 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 and I used to move out. I never had that time to look at myself in the mirror also. So the day when I did this exercise, I cried. I had really cried because in that perspective, I had never seen myself, who I am. So I had literally cried because I was just running in life to look after my kids and doing everything. But then now I realized what I was doing. But this journey will really help you to understand कि आपके अंदर जो छोटा बच्चा बैठा है ना, छोटा बच्चा वो क्या मांग रहा है. Okay, so as you learn to do the mirror work, you will become much more aware of the words you say and the things you do. You will learn to take care of yourselves on the deeper level you have done before. Okay, so you will start taking care of yourself even before what you might have not done. Till now, we always prefer other people, our family members first. But understand, the moment you will start loving yourself first, you will see a massive change. So when something good happens in your life, you can go to the mirror and say, thank you, that's terrific. Do we do this? क्या हम मिरर के सामने जाके, हमने मिरर बुक में प्रैक्टिस किया लास्ट चैप्टर में, राइट, द मैजिक मिरर में, बट डू यू फील दैट यू स्टिल डू? व्हाई डू यू थिंक माय मिरर इज ऑलवेज ऑन माय टेबल? आई टोल्ड यू कि आई माय एवरीथिंग, इफ यू विल कम वन डे टू माय हाउस ना, यू विल सी मेरी सब चीजें मेरे टेबल पे. माय चिल्ड्रन कीप ऑन शाउटिंग कि आप बहुत मेस रखते हो, इतनी सारी चीजें टेबल पे रखते हो, बट आई सेड नो, व्हेन आई नो आई वांट दोस थिंग्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, so I want it because I do those practices daily. क्योंकि आपकी नजर के सामने जब रहेगा ना, back of me I have a whole dressing table full, long one also. Have you any time stood naked in front of a mirror? How many of you have done that? No?
Only during mirror book session.
So
Actually,
today, I'm giving you an assignment. Today, when you take bath, come out, please send everyone out. If anyone is there in your room, or if you feel that people keep coming, going, you are going to stand in front of the mirror naked today. Okay? You are going to stand completely naked and you're going to look at yourself. And you just don't have to look like that कि हाँ मैं कैसा दिखता हूँ, मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो हूँ. No, you are going to look at yourself completely and just observe. Just keep silence और अपने आप को देखो. When keep your eyes directly, even in the dressing table mirror, full mirror, आपको पूरा देखना है अपने आप को. Keep your eyes directly, focus on the mirror, only your eyes. You stand naked, but keep your eyes directly looking at the mirror and see the thoughts what are coming. After you have done that, write down those thoughts in this journal. Okay, today I stood in front of the mirror naked, and what did you observe? You observed your body, you observed your eyes, you observed your skin. What did you observe? And what were the thoughts? What came into your mind? You're going to write it down in your book today. Okay, so she's saying that when something good happens, हम मिरर को अपना फ्रेंड कैसे बनाएंगे ना, ये जर्नी में हम वो सीखने वाले हैं. सो व्हेन समथिंग गुड हैपेंस इन योर लाइफ, यू कैन गो टू द मिरर एंड से थैंक यू यार, आज तो बहुत अच्छी चीजें हो गई, वाह, बहुत मजा आ गया. राइट. यू कैन से अरे आज तो मैंने इतना पेट भर के खाना खाया, वाह. आज तो मैंने इतना स्पा में गई, मैंने मेरे बाल बने. हम क्या करते हैं, हम वी गो टू द फ्रेंड्स एंड वी से ओके, एंड वी वांट दैट फ्रेंड्स टू अप्रिशिएट अस, राइट. अगर आपने कोई पार्लर में जाके बाल कटा के आए हो और यू हैव डन समथिंग डिफरेंट, व्हाट डू यू फील लाइक? यू वांट कि आप आपके हस्बैंड को जाके बताओ, आपकी वाइफ को जाके बताओ, आपके बच्चों को जाके बताओ, या फ्रेंड्स को बताओ. अरे कॉल करते, जल्दी जल्दी कॉल करते हम, अरे अरे रीना, मैं आज बाल कटा के आई, मैं वीडियो कॉल पे आना, वीडियो कॉल पे आना. एंड व्हाट वी डू, वी वांट टू शो आवरसेल्व्स, राइट. व्हाई वी वांट टू शो आवरसेल्व्स टू अदर्स? टेल मी अतुल जी, व्हाई वी वांट टू शो आवरसेल्व्स टू अदर्स व्हेन वी हैव डन समथिंग?
To feel better.
हाँ,
To feel better.
to feel better, we want
Appreciation.
appreciation from others, right. हम चाहते हैं कि दूसरे हमको अप्रिशिएट करें. बट हैव वी अप्रिशिएटेड ourselves? I many times I whenever I take bath also no, in the morning when I'm like wiping myself, I said, I always say, Ruba, you look very good यार, Ruba, Ruba, you look very good. मैं अपने आप को ये चीज बोलती हूँ. Why you need, why you need acceptance from other people? Why you need appreciation from other people? पहले खुद को तो appreciate करो. Learn to appreciate yourself first. पहले खुद का appreciation करो. देन व्हाट हैपेंस इज, अगर आपके फ्रेंड ने कुछ और बोल दिया, अरे नहीं ये तो ठीक है बट ये वाला कट है ना, तुझे सूट नहीं हो रहा है, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? देन व्हाट हैपेंस? अगेन वही
Then we
नेगेटिव
go in a
थॉट.
negative thoughts.
यस, वी गो इनटू नेगेटिव थॉट्स. बट हम गए थे पार्लर में ये हेयर कट कराने के लिए बिकॉज मुझे करना था, राइट. ये चीज मुझे करनी थी, मुझे पसंद था. बट हम अप्रूवल ढूंढ रहे हैं बाहर, राइट. फिर हमने कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी कर दिया हमारी लाइफ के साथ में. सो हियर इज वेयर योर लॉजिकल माइंड एंड हार्ट वर्क्स. और अगर हमारा लॉजिकल माइंड और हार्ट अगर काम करता है ऐसे, तो हम लाइफ में बैलेंस नहीं ला पाते हैं, राइट. बिकॉज द मोर यू विल स्टार्ट अप्रिसिएटिंग, अरे मैंने आज बाल कटा है मेरे लिए, ओके, मैंने शेव किया मेरे लिए. मुझे शेव इसके लिए नहीं करना है कि मुझे दूसरों के सामने फ्रेश दिखना है, ब्यूटीफुल दिखना है. नो, द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट एक्सेप्टिंग योर सेल्फ कि हाँ मैं ये मेरे लिए कर रही हूं, अगर मैं आज शेव करके अपने आप को मुझे फ्रेश फील होता है तो मैं शेव करूंगा. मुझे दूसरों के लिए नहीं शेव करना है कि मैं प्रेजेंटेबल दिखूंगा दूसरों के लिए. नो, if you are doing something for yourself, it has to be for yourself. So this is what mirror book is going to help you. So she says that if something bad happens to you, you can still go to the mirror and say, okay, I love you. जैसे मैंने आपको वो एनएलपी का एक स्टेटमेंट से कहा था मैजिक बुक में कि अगर समथिंग रॉन्ग हैपेंस, से इट्स ओके. सो सेम वे हियर यू कैन से, यू कैन जस्ट से, ओके, आज ऐसा हो गया यार, आज मेरा खाना अच्छा नहीं बना यार, इट्स ओके, राइट. आज मैं क्लाइंट को नहीं मिल पाया, स्पीक टू द मिरर, इट्स ओके. बिकॉज इफ यू कीप ऑन हैविंग अ सेल्फ टॉक, यार ये मेरे आज मेरे से अच्छा नहीं हुआ, वो क्लाइंट क्या सोचता हो गया होगा कि मैं टाइम पे नहीं आ सका, मैंने उसको टाइम पे मीटिंग में मिल नहीं पाया. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? whole day you are into that negative thoughts, and then you are lessening your own confidence. Okay, you are bringing yourself down. Then there, every time something will happen, you will not feel good, you will not have a good feeling about yourself. So even something when happens wrong, you can go and say to the mirror, okay, and then you say to yourself, when you go to the mirror, आप ऐसे बोलोगे, ओके मारिया, इट्स ओके यार, आज तेरा खाना अच्छा नहीं बना, टेस्टी नहीं था, चल जाने देना, लेट इट बी. So this is how you're going to speak, okay, with your mirror. So when you start speaking this, you will understand what is the difference coming into your life. For most of us, sitting in front of the mirror and facing ourselves is difficult first. Why? Because why we find it difficult? Because we start looking at our eyes. ये मेरी eyes अच्छी नहीं है यार. मेरा nose है ना काफी broad है. See, my lips are going inside. Whenever we look at the mirror, we look at this thing. I don't have hair on the head, यार. क्या करूँ? We are always worried about what is not there with us, but what we have, we are not at all looking at it. So she's saying that initially some people have very difficulty to looking at the mirror. So we call this process mirror work. Okay, so that is why we are calling this as mirror work. But as you continue, you become less self-critical and the work turns into a mirror play. That is what I say, na, that we'll start playing with the mirror and आप enjoy करना शुरू करोगे. Very soon your mirror becomes your companion. I remember last when I had done this mirror book, I had written one song के ऊपर से वो there is one song ना तेरी मेरी दोस्ती प्यार में बदल गई. So I had made a song myself on that, using those lines and tune, like how I felt with the mirror at the end of the session. So very soon your mirror becomes companion, a dear friend instead of an enemy. Doing mirror work is one of the most loving gifts you can give yourself. It takes only a second to say, "Hi kid," or "looking good. Isn't this fun?" Okay, see, you understand this, what she's saying. Ki doing mirror work is one of the most loving gifts you can give yourself. So today in the new year, pat yourself and say that I am going to give this gift to myself. Okay? Pat yourselves. Come on, pat yourselves and say, I am going to give this gift to myself. It takes only a second to say, "Hi, kid," or "looking good." So can't you say to your inner self, जो छोटे बच्चे से आप मिलने वाले हो अभी इस जर्नी में, आप उसको हाय बोलो. हाय रुब्बा, हाउ आर यू? ऐसे बोलो. कम ऑन, टेक द मिरर. Take the mirror, take your name, and say, "Hi, Ruba. How are you? How are you feeling
Hi,
today?
Mangal. How are you?
How are you? Wow. कैसी है
Wow.
रे तू?
Feeling nice.
कैसी है तू? This is how you're going to start speaking to your mirror. Initially, you will feel funny. मुझे 3 दिन तक कनेक्शन ही नहीं फील हो रहा था मिरर के साथ. आई एम रियली टेलिंग यू, इवन यू विल हैव दिस एक्सपीरियंसेस, यू विल टेल मी. आई लिटरली हैड टोल्ड माय मेंटर कि मुझे नहीं फील हो रहा है, मैं क्या करूं. And that day when she told me something, and when I took the mirror, I cried for 1 hour. I really cried for 1 hour because I had really not met myself that time. I was always loving, thinking about other people, giving to other people. I am still a giver. I'm really telling you, Muche. I mean, for me, it was like giving, 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 giving. But the day after 3 days of that sessions, when we started, fourth day, I've written in my journal, I will show you all that today I could connect with my mirror. So it takes time. And initially लोग हंसते हैं कि हम ये क्या कर रहे हैं, right? But the moment you will finish 1 week, now you will start understanding कि how beautiful this journey is. Because I really thank Louise Hay for this. Ki she came up with this, through her experiences. The more you use mirrors for complimenting yourself, approving of yourself, and supporting yourself during difficult times, the deeper and enjoyable your relationship with yourself will become. Risi, this is very important. The more you use mirrors for complimenting yourself, approving yourself. See, mirror, here she's saying, जब bad भी होता है ना, anything negative भी हो जाता है आपसे, go to the mirror and speak. मिरर से बात करो कि इट्स ओके यार, ठीक है ना यार, इट्स ओके, कर लिया, आज मेरे से ये गलती हो गई, जाने दो यार. आज मैंने गुस्से से मेरे बच्चे से बात कर ली, आज गुस्से से मैंने मेरी पत्नी से बात कर ली, राइट? आज मेरा झगड़ा हो गया यार मेरी कलीग से. इट्स ओके. गो एंड स्पीक टू योर मिरर एंड देयर यू विल सी यू हैव फिनिश्ड योर वर्क. And you'll start approving yourself कि it's okay that sometimes the situations are there in life. Okay, but here she's saying is that this journey will become more enjoyable. You may be wondering why 21 days for the program? Can you totally transform your life in just 3 weeks? She says, maybe, not totally. See, she's saying here, maybe, not totally, but you can plant the seeds. So that is what I'm saying. Ki you will find after 21 days a complete change in you, but you have to keep on doing the practices. So this way it will help you to be into that practices and you will become, but you through this journey, you will become a new you. I am guaranteeing you that you will become a new yourself. So that is why I'd written a new me in the new year. I don't know whether you'll read my messages also. I'm very creative with that. As you continue to do your mirror work, these seeds develop into new, healthy habits of mind that open the door to a joyous and fulfilling life. So let's begin. Okay. So she's saying that through the 3 weeks, you are going to be totally planting new seeds in your mind. You're continuing to do the mirror work and you will start understanding yourself more better. So here there are meditations which I will be downloading and I will be giving it to you. If not possible, then maybe we'll plan our meditations of these books. Okay. So how to download the meditation? If you can download, more better. For each of the 21 days of the mirror work program, there is a guided meditation. To access the audio meditations, visit this. Okay, she's giving you the link and everything, and here you can meditate. Now we will be going to day 1 from tomorrow, the week 1. So this is a week wise. So 1 week we do, then we review the week. Whatever we have done in the week, हमने जो जो वो week में किया, जो जो practices किए, उसका हम review भी लेते, because itself it is coming in the book. Sorry. So this will be the day 1. Now today, I had given you first question was, what was the first question? That how can I improve my self-image? This had come to your mind. Second, I said, look at the mirror and completely naked. You go when you come out of your bath, completely naked, come out, go look at, even if you finish your bath, then go just now after the session, completely naked before you're dressing up, completely naked, look at yourself. देखो क्या thoughts आपके mind में आ रहे हैं. Just observe yourself for 5 minutes. जो भी thoughts आ रहे, keep your diary next to it. Write down the thoughts. Take 5 minutes and at least write 5 sentences. Tomorrow we will be discussing on that. Write 5 sentences. See, this is one-on-one counseling. Understand? इसके through, you spend lots of money for counseling. People charge 10,000 and 5,000 and 15,000 for counseling. Please understand. This is one-on-one counseling if you are ready for it. So if you observe yourself today, write down the thoughts. So tomorrow we will be discussing on those thoughts, right? Mirror tomorrow, from tomorrow onwards, mirror should be next to your table, your journal. If you have not made a new one, please see that you do this work, what we have done today, but of writing your name, your initials, because on that also we are going to work. We are going to work on each letter of your name. Remember, we are going to work on each letter also, which is not there in the book. And that is why I made you do this practice. So we are going to work on this each letter. And that is why, see, even I made a new diary and I wrote it so that I'm doing along with you. Okay. So make a new book, keep the journals, keep your this ready. And maybe we will try to shift the timings to 6:30 if all are comfortable. Okay, I have shared on the group the message. So you need to do the payments, 550 rupees. I've kept very small energy exchange because as I told you in the starting of the session, I didn't want it to. But since my mentor had said, ki, no, this needs commitment and you have to take something. And there are people outside who are taking 7,500 for the group sessions and 11,000 on one-to-one this thing. But this is something, if you learn these practices, I'm really telling you, you are going to have amazing life after this book. And magic book, so you all know, I'm starting again from Monday, magic book at night, 8 o'clock. If you want to join, if the time is suitable to you, you can join that time, because those people who had requested me, who are working, and they kept on messaging me on personal this thing that I want to join at night. So maybe I can help them also. So I thought, let's do it because I believe in the morning, because those sessions are like to be done in the morning. But since people are requesting, maybe I will do it. I'll start from Monday at night. So this week, this 3 days, we start with our journey first, and then I'll come back to Magic Book on Saturday. So you are most welcome to join. That is free. Magic Book is free. You all know. Mirror Book, yes, I'm charging 555 rupees so that you all are committed for this 21 days. So as I said,
Yes,
maybe
I did payment.
very good. So I will be doing, thank you. I'm telling you, see, expect little 1 or 2 days more for your these sessions, because maybe 1 or 2 chapters, or maybe, whenever if that chapter is coming and if it is falling on Saturday or Sunday, maybe that time I will try to have an afternoon session, so that chapter, because those 2 or 3 chapters are really very important, which I feel we should do it in a manner like where we are, what do you say, going very deeper level, so that, complete understanding comes. So those 2 or 3 chapters, I will be doing it again and again with you. So please bear with me if you feel that bore ho raha hai and same thing is being repeated. But I'll tell you, the more you'll repeat it, you will get an understanding of yourself. So आज से हमको अपने inner child से मिलना है. Are we ready? Say yes loudly to yourself. Declare that I am
Yes,
ready to meet my inner child. Right? Are you ready?
Yes,
Sure. You're going to
yes.
give me the commitment of these many days. Okay. So please share it with your friends. I've sent the message on the group. Please share it with your friends. I will put a link also in that. I think I've not put the group link. And now, see, for this sessions, recordings, as I told you, will not be there, because these are going to be private sessions. I will be recording the sessions, but it will not be sent on the group. Also, would request not to send these recordings. Like, if one of the day, if you don't have the recording, and I mean, you have not been able to attend in an emergency case, then I will be sending you only that day ka recording. But make it a point that you are not passing it on to others, because then you are depleting your energy. Remember this also. This is what our mentor says to us. Ki you are depleting, and then we keep that integrity. Yes, we are not going to do that. Okay. So make it a point that you do not do that. Yes, for the any questions, any doubts coming to your mind, and if you can get this book, order this book. Till that, I will be sharing the PDF. We will be making a separate group.
I have a hard copy.
If you, yeah, very good if you have got the book.
Downloaded
Because,
a
because see, my book is like that filled, because whenever I do any book, if you will see any book which I have done, any book if I read also on my own, it is like you will see all red marks in that, blue marks in that, with different pens I have marked. I write there important, so that whenever I open that book, that makes me realize that yes, there's something important which I can still follow. We ourselves don't know our power. This book is going to empower you. This book will help you to empower yourself. हमारे अंदर जो शक्ति है ना, हम खुद नहीं पहचान पाते हैं वो, राइट? हमारे अंदर जो शक्ति है ना, हम खुद नहीं पहचान पाते. हमको वो शक्ति को बाहर लाना है. You will, I'm telling you, I am guaranteeing you, this is my 101% guaranteeing ki after this book, if you practice regularly, if you write the answers to the questions which I ask you, it is really going to help you. Really going to help you. Like Magic Book, like this gratitude practices, Atulji and Mangal ma'am, can you give me some feedback? What did you all feel when we did that days wala question? You count your age and the remaining days you count. What was the feeling after that? क्या
So
feeling आया वो दिन
basically,
में? I don't know. Share, please share.
there are lots many questions came in my mind. What are I'm going to do in remaining days? Like I can plan a year or like year or 2 year, but
हाँ.
what about the other days? So it was difficult, but at least my mind is working now.
Yeah, that is, see, now at least you know कि only
Yeah.
these many days are left to live. So now,
Uh,
if I don't take action now to fulfill my life, what I really want from my life, or what I really want to do, then when I'm going
yes.
to do, right? So that
Yes.
was my aim to give you that question. Yes, Atulji, what was your
Uh, I
experience?
also I also plan to learn more new things.
Yes, learn whatever you
And
want, learn new things, whatever you want to do. You want to go for a travel, you want to learn some music, this thing, learn now, because then there is no time left. That was a complete mind shift, to make your mind shift, so that this question will give you an answer कि अरे यार अभी तो मेरे पास इतने दिन रहे, why not do what I like, do what I love, okay, for the coming years. So that is why I made you all do that exercise. So that was very important. So I will be in
And
this book. Yes.
one more thing I wanted to, I was scared about scuba diving, paragliding, all this like scary. But that day I feel I can do it. I don't know, but what?
I had
That
that scare when
confidence
I did
came.
zip lining in Kashmir, 2 years back.
Uh,
What had happened was, I have slip disc problems. So मुझे वही डर लगता था कि मैं अगर उस पे गई तो मेरे बैक में प्रॉब्लम तो होने ही वाला है. So what I was speaking was a negative sentence to myself. But that day, when I literally, the two people, are nay, you do it, we are there. When they said that, when I climbed up, and I just said I can do it, yeah, Ruba, you can do it. I only did this sentence to myself. And you won't imagine, I did it completely. I did not shout and this, and I enjoyed it. And that was that moment, which opened up. कि अरे हाँ, fear of water went away. There were so many things which even I was having, but I came out of it. I don't get afraid of water now. I don't get afraid of doing zip lining and all snorkeling. I did now, when I told you all, when I went to Bangkok. So I don't get afraid, because it is our limiting beliefs. So I'll tell you what are your limiting beliefs also in this session. We are going to work, on our limiting beliefs also. See, what are your limiting beliefs which pull you down to make you, see, we are born here to have a very good life. We deserve to have a good life, right? But we do not. We only say, I deserve to have a good life. I deserve to have a good life. But are we working on it, right? So this journey is going to help you to work on, really deserving a very good and peaceful life. You will really start feeling happy from inside. जो हम चीजें बाहर ढूंढते हैं ना, कि मेरा हस्बैंड मेरी तारीफ करे, मेरे बच्चे मेरी तारीफ करे, मैं कुछ काम करूँ तो कोई मुझे अप्रिशिएट करे, all that you will start doing on your own self only, and you will start, अरे मुझे तो किसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है, मैं जैसी हूं जैसा हूं, I am okay. You will have that type of confidence at the end of this book. So you will not require approval. What we do is, human beings have, we have 6 certain needs. I'll tell you those needs tomorrow. Today we don't have that much time. So tomorrow I will be telling you what are the 6 needs which a human being needs. And that needs, we work according to that, we build ourselves according to that needs. So I'll ask you to find out your important need also tomorrow. Okay. So basically, if you will start looking at yourself in a different way in this session, so do start working on this. Please keep a separate book. Commit yourself. Write down today, if you want now, write down one affirmation. I am open and committed. Okay. You write down, I am open and committed to mirror book. Write down this. I'm dictating, write it down. I'm giving you 2 affirmations for today. I am open and committed to mirror book practices. Whenever you open your book after reading, writing this, keep on reading it. I am open and receptive. I'm open and committed to mirror book practices. Did you all write? Second affirmation, write down. Thank you for the abundance of time. Thank you for the abundance of time Thank you for the abundance of time and space. I am blessed. Thank you for the abundance of time and space. I am blessed. Write this down and keep on repeating. Whenever you feel, whenever your logical mind says, "ए तेरे पास time नहीं है यार, तू नहीं कर पाएगी. You will not be able to give this commitment. अरे देख पूरा टाइम बैठना पड़ेगा, इसका असाइनमेंट करना पड़ेगा." That time just read this affirmation to change your mindset. Ki thank you for the abundance of time and space. I'm blessed. Keep on repeating this every day. Every day. This will build your inner being, into coming into this journey, and it will really help you. Whenever you feel low कि अरे यार नहीं हो रहा है, कितना टाइम देना पड़ रहा है, I don't have this, today I'm not well today, that time just read these 2 points, and I'm really telling you it is really going to help you. And write in bold letters if you want, and put it somewhere near your table. Okay, make it a little bigger one. Make this declaration a little bigger one, affirmation, and put it somewhere in front of your table, so that whenever you are sitting there, whenever you are writing your gratitude practices or doing any other magic book practices also, आप उसको बार बार देख रहे हो. Okay. And one more request is that please pass this message which I have sent on the group to other people also, so that they also come into this journey and you see them happy. And for the yes, for the payments, yes, definitely, chaps, I would be working out for the Laos people. Something I will let you know in some time. Okay, but the rest of you can do a payment. Then I will be making a separate group. Okay, which will be a private group. No one would be added unless the payments are done. Only I will be adding those people. But and any questions will be coming only in that group. Any assignments will be coming in that group. Anything else you want to ask, yes, you can. Please do not hesitate to ask. I am not getting that question. मैं तो इतने प्रश्न पूछती थी. You can send me on personal chat also. If you feel you don't want to send on the group, you are most welcome to send me on the personal chat. I answer. I counsel people. uh, I am going on Monday also to counsel one girl. So like I have people who are taking my help. So when you are getting help, in free, if you have any question in the mind, please ask. I am there to help you. How much I can guide, how much I know, and how much I have learned from that guidance point of view. I can guide you. So if you have any personal question, please put it on the personal chat. If you are hesitating to put it on this, I'm there to help you. But work on yourself, and questions should come into your mind if you're doing your practices, okay? In this book also, questions should come into your mind. And whenever question comes now, just don't leave it. Keep a writing pad handy in your kitchen or wherever you are working there, so that whenever any question comes, you just write it down. So that what happens sometimes when we come in the session, we tend to forget. So try to do that. Okay. So we end the sessions today. So you are going to do journaling every day. So that is why I'm requesting, please keep a long Fullscape book or a very fat diary you will be requiring, because you will be writing on the spot. Yes, great. Very good student. Even when I do any course, I really go as a student, and whatever instructions are given, I follow it very religiously. Yeah? I follow it very religiously. Even if I'm attending any workshop, मेरे घर वालों को पहले से पता लग जाता है कि मैं वर्कशॉप अटेंड करने वाली हूँ, कोई मुझे कॉल नहीं करेगा, इस टाइम से इस टाइम I am not available. I tell to my children also, I'm sorry, I will not be available from this time to this time because I'm attending my workshop. So that I'm giving my 100%, right? Somewhere you have to give a commitment to yourself also. Okay, so let's join our hands, close our eyes, and we'll end this session. And we'll meet tomorrow again. We'll discuss the timings again on the group today. Okay. So thank you. Thank you, everyone, for joining. May God bless you with all that you require and give you the courage to be in this journey. So thank you everyone
thank
for
you.
being in this journey with me and learning to understand your new self. Thank you. And do pass on this message from the group to your friends. Don't say that only I want to learn first, but it will help other people also. And I'm telling you, what you're doing is, initially even we didn't understand. हम लोग को लगता था अरे इनका कुछ तो भी फायदा होता रहेगा करके ये लोग बार बार बोलते हैं आगे नहीं. You are if you're sending it to someone this message and it is helping that person to come into this journey, remember what are you doing? Ask yourself what are you doing? What energy you're creating for yourself, right? I'm not going to answer this question. I'm saying answer yourself. What are you going to do? What are you doing if you are sending this message to someone? Okay. And you're passing this message to someone and asking them to come into this journey. What are you doing? How is that energy helping yourself? Answer yourself today, and I'll be asking you tomorrow. I leave you with this question. Chalo, thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you all of you.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Love and bless.